Welcome back to another palette mixing video. Today I'll be custom mixing the warmer to cool shade. So I'll be using warm white, lemon yellow, sour apple, sea breeze and blue harbor. So if these colors are not available, use any acrylic color. So we are moving from yellow, green to blue shade. So this is the process. Custom mixing is very hard to say, so how much percentage of color you'll mix. So you can watch this and see how I am going from increasing less yellow, less blue, then more little blue, then maximum blue, then again decreasing the blue quantity and mixing 2-3 colors at the same time to form a gradient. So easy way is so you'll not get the perfect color as I am showing. So it's up to you how you feel about the color. So you will see a smooth transition from one color to the other. So here we are going from warm white. So the next color will be little bit yellowish like the buttermilk color, then more yellow, then proper yellow, then from yellow you'll be moving to light green, then a more for deep green, then from green you will transition to blue, and the similar way we will be from light blue to aqua green, turquoise and blue to then we will move to blue. So if you want the colors to lighten, you can add white. If you want your palette to little bit toned down, you can add gray, any not you can add black, just drop of add to make it darker. Or if you want less darker, you can add gray, is a very good color to tone down your colors. Like it will not be a very bright palette, it will be a little bit toned down palette. So here after you mix it properly, just in a black paper you can swipe out your colors to see. So because when you swipe out the real color what it is now and after drying it will be different. So in order to check the set, do swipe out. So here is a beautiful tea light holder I created using that palette. You can check out my previous video to see the process of one of the tea light holder. Here is another keychain with the same palette. I will be providing all my videos that I have referred here in my description. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel and write to me if you want like to order or say anything about my art. Would love to hear from you. Thank you. Have a nice day.